Oh my word. Are you sure you want to do this?
It's so bad.
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna
Talk to her.
This is nuts.
Okay.
Look at this
Those are
train.
magnets. They're just gonna snap on.
Okay. Are you sure you want to do this?
Mom's gonna be
Yeah.
furious.
Yeah, Mom's not going to be
It's not
happy.
her wedding.
Mom's not gonna like this.
It's not her wedding.
Is Blake going to like this?
Yeah. Yeah, he's gonna love it.
Yeah. Oh my word. Show me what's happening.
Backwards, but
Do you even know what you're doing?
no, I don't know what I'm doing.
I thought
Walking
you said.
down the aisle.
Yeah, no, you signed up for more.
These were months.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Get next to each other.
Look, all those people are waiting on us.
I know. It's atrocious.
All right, go get in position.
I just. Her mom is gonna freak out. Is Blake like it? I think he likes it. He's being The bridesmaids really don't like it.
You may all be seated. Okay. Oh, good. I was worried things were. That's okay. Good. Proceed. This is good.
I can't believe
That would have been horrible.
It was a little too not like knots landing. You know, the whole.